You know, it being Pride Month, we thought what a better time than to get everyone together after being in quarantine for so long.
Just host a fun Pride event, a good run to bring everybody together.
Ready, guys? I hope that everyone out there, you become the highest, truest expression of yourself, and every day that you wake up, you just go add joy to someone's day.
Really promoting diversity, uniqueness, keep Austin weird, just have fun together, get out there and have a good ride.
It was a hot run, but that's what we get in sunny Austin, Texas. And honestly, that's the best kind of run, right? Because no matter what, no matter how hot it is, there's gonna be people waiting for you at the end. On this day, we've got cider, so what more can you ask for? Really, what more?